Well, people, another PC build is happening. My girlfriend is finally building her PC, and yeah, pretty much got all the parts that I had in my computer at first. The FX 4300. Here's a motherboard, 600 watt power supply, 8 gigs of RAM, WD Black 1 terabyte, and a GTX 950. And it'll be going in this. I keep hitting my head. I'm too tall for this. Going in this Zalman? How would you say it? Zalman? Yeah. That. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. So now, how do you? Yeah, we need to go to get this motherboard out. Get the CPU, RAM in. Put it between just go straight down. You got it on there? Is it on this side?
It will.
Dude. Oh god.
Is it on that side? Oh, woman, it's not very hard.
There you go.
Now click it down. It goes the other way.
Does it go the other way? Yeah, it goes the other way. Okay.
Good job.
Now you gotta plug it in.
Smoosh.
Wait, what is that? What is that? What's that
Fan.
For what?
To cool the processor.
Which is the
Cooler?
CPU?
Yeah.
Yes.
You can see?
I don't know. What's that say?
CPU fan.
Well, there you go.
News. Don't fool. You broke it.
Oh, sure. Well, man, it looked right.
That's how I looked at it.
No.
I heard the little click. The doop. I was like,
Well.
oh, you should have did that before. Too late now. I'm just kidding.
The RAM gonna be the hardest thing to put in.
Yeah, please don't break it.
I use scissors.
Everybody will be sad.
Scissors?
A knife.
Drop it. That's what happened.
Looking determined.
Anything
Did
come
it just
missing out
snap?
them packages at Best Buy, we know. Not supposed to touch the cold part.
No. Did you already open? Okay, you opened them.
Equal pressure on both sides, and no,
On both sides of
on the top of the
yeah.
thing. Yeah, and they'll click, they'll close. Equal pressure, 2 fingers.
You fucking wall.
2 fingers.
Firmly grasp it. Firmly grasp it.
You gotta push hard.
Oh.
Installing memories like anal for the first time.
See, I was straight. The RAM I had was kind of thick, so it made it easier to push down. There you go.
And it's the blooper section.
Shit, sadly, I wasn't recording yet. I was trying to see if she get it or not.
Should be that one.
Because we had it turned.
Yeah, it's gonna slide it back somewhere right there, right there. Right here. Damn it.
How tall is it? Oh, okay, you got it.
And right there.
where you took it out from.
Put it back.
And right there. Yeah.
They were right.
These are gonna go into there. You see these 3 holes, them 3 holes? Yeah, use that as a... Don't scratch the bottom up.
I'm
You
getting
can
caught on
cut-
something up there.
Alright, that's what it is. You can see the screws.
Open my motherboard.
Man, see, mine got them in there too. It's music though.
Yeah, that's the hardest one to get in right there. Over there.
Shit.
Yep.
Gone.
Man, through the thing. I think it's on the floor.
Put your sensor. I don't know where you want to put it. Wherever you want. And through Wolf Chase area yesterday.
Yeah.
Man, everything. Street bike, Harley, we on 3-wheelers, 2 wheels, and a 4.
Real?
Like, I didn't know you could fit 4 bikes.
Okay. So hey guys, due to like some stupid major inconveniences, the video that we were using to shoot my girlfriend's PC build, we're not able to get it. Like we lost the file. So pretty much at this point in the video that you're watching, she's installing the GPU. Well, she's about to install the GPU. Now, after installing the GPU and actually trying to get Windows and make sure it's bootable, we realized that none of the USB ports on the motherboard worked. Even the USB 3.0 header going to the motherboard did not work. So pretty much gonna have to send that motherboard back in, and then we tried to figure out a way that we can make her PC work because she really wanted her case. So her brother was kind enough to say, hey, you can use my other PC and just put that in your case. You can use that. But sadly enough, it would not fit in her computer. So the only other option I had, which it was around, yeah, you'll see it. Yeah, matter of fact, click the part 2 video. That's her texting now. Click the part 2 video for this and you'll get the full explanation of how everything went down and how the PCs are oriented now. So, but remember, you know what to do. If you liked the video, give it a like. If you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs down. But always comment and share and subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. And if you do subscribe, remember to hit that little notification button so you can see all the new videos coming out for the channel. That's a lot to say, really. Yeah.